All right, this is how it goes. Every single weekend we analyze the market, and this is a run through from what we analyzed over the weekend to today. And today is just the Tuesday of the week so far, and look at what we have here. On the Euro US dollar forward time frame perspective, I was actually expecting the price to get in here before I see sell opportunity, and obviously the price didn't get there. It continues to sell. Well, that's not bad. I'm expecting to buy from this lower price level here. When the price comes there, I'm ready to buy. And after then, I checked out on the GBP US dollar. Look at the price right here. And since last week, Thursday or Friday, I marked out this level. This zone will be selling from here. In the community, we are selling, and currently we're running a profit. And actually, I'm looking to sell towards this level here before I pick up a buy. This is also another two-dimension trade outlook, which I dropped last week, and it's still valid to this week. So this is GBP on GBP US dollar on forward time frame. Also expecting this to work out, and if it doesn't, well, my entry is secured. That's the best thing that can happen. Okay, this is the AUDUSD. Actually expecting the price to actually move into this price range before I start seeing a sell at the beginning of the week, and obviously the price did not do that, but currently it has sold. It sold a little bit of about 45 pips in profit, but not in the profit I am in, because I didn't take this. It didn't get to where I'm expecting it to get to. So that moves on, and we have the USDCAD. I'm actually looking for overall buy on it, and currently it's still doing more of that and ranging and more of that, but greater highs and higher lows, of course, so that is still a buy. On the USDJPY, my outlook is buying again. Look at this here. I also have this outlook on the USDJPY. I was expecting this was where the price was at the beginning of the week, okay, and I was expecting to see more bullish momentum from here, and currently the price has done that. It has done about 100 pips on average before retracing, and actually I've done that before ahead of time. Look at this, this level. I marked my retracements to this level. I'm still expecting a bullish run right there. So USDJPY has done fantastic well, and I'm expecting it to get into this price level before I start selling from there. If that will work out, that means the price actually would have done about 320 pips on average from the current market price, which is a fantastic one. Okay, and USDCHF here overall too, expecting a buy from here, because I look at the price and I look at the overall delivery and how the market will deliver the price to this level right here. Okay, currently it's ranging, but creating higher highs and higher lows, of course, and then that's still a very good buy momentum. Actually, it's been ranging more than the buy, okay, but let's see how that turns out. This is NZD US dollar, and look at what I have here. At the beginning of the week, the price was here, right, and I was anticipating to see the price break this high just to grab liquidity, and after that start selling. Look at what the price did eventually. From here, price went just above this line, grab the liquidity, start selling right there. Can you see that? So what I did was very simple. I just anticipated the price to move into this range like this, to cross a pull, just to break this structure, just to grab liquidity just a little and start selling. The price did that, and when it was buying, it bought about 20 pips or thereabout, and when it was selling, that's what, about 30 something pips like that. Let's check it. Let's check it out. That's about yeah, this is about 33 pips, so to say, 33 pips, and currently it's still selling. And this is my overall outlook on US. That's the US dollar as well. I'm expecting the price to get in here. When the price gets here, look at this. Okay, I'm just trying to show it more clearer. All right, so this is it here. I'm seeing how the price will get into this level. When it does, I'm looking for a buy from here. So from that level to from the current market price to where I'm expecting, it's about 47 to 50 pips on average. Let's see how that will work out. Okay, I'm not in a hurry, and I believe you're not too. GBP JPY, I have no business with this guy for the week. GBP Canadian dollar, yes, I gave this dimension right here before the price actually played out. The price was around here. I think the price was around here when I analyzed this, and I gave this buy setup. All right, this is where I got the buy setup from. If you look at the chart very closely, you see where I got the buy setup from. So in the future, well, the price actually came to a price level like this, and I anticipated to see a buy from here. The price was tested, the stop loss was tested, really tested. Can you see that? And eventually the price actually bought. Yes, but it bought for how many pips exactly? This is about 476 pips. I think I'll include it before of this outlook. The price was never here when I anticipated the buy, and when the buy peaked, I already anticipated this sell as well. So we had over 470 pips run into this range, and currently look at what the price is saying right here. And of course the price is actually selling now. It didn't really move much into the level as I wanted, but of course it has done significant movement of 100 pips to the downside, and I'm expecting that sell to continue till it gets here, and from here I want to pick another buy zone that is three-dimensional. All right, this is just the outlook on this currency pairs of analyzed over the week. Oh, this is GBP AUD. The price did not get to where I was expecting it to get to, and I'm not really in a hurry. I'm leaving it. Okay, this is BTC US dollar, expecting it to sell down into this range and buy. Though I know this is impacted a lot by fundamental, so it's really crazy nowadays. Now this is another one. This is gold USD. I'm looking for overall sell into this range before I pick up a buy. For more analysis, follow me, like and comment. Let's see what we can do. Have a great day. Bye.